Ernesto Rodriguez is a disabled Army veteran and father of 3.
They're big puppies.
Who says he loves his dogs as if they were his children.
Even my kids are like, man, those dogs eat better than we do.
His puppy Duchess is a 4-month-old American bully who now boasts a belly tattoo. Duke has one too.
They both have it. They both have their tattoos on them, just in case anything happens to them.
Rodriguez says he gave Duchess the intricate identification after taking her to the vet to get her ears clipped.
I took her to the shop, tattooed her, bring her back here, and she slept the rest of the day.
Really, that's kind of suspicious in my mind.
Animal advocate Caleb Scott says the whole story just does not add up.
Usually when you pick up dogs, or cats, they're already awake after the procedure. They don't usually hand you over a dog that is asleep. On his first Facebook post, he said he was bored and he was tattooing. I think what he's doing now is backpedaling, saying he's identifying it.
We asked him several times, and Rodriguez insists the dog was asleep following the procedure.
It's just like judging someone for wearing a tattoo. You know, you judge them, you think that they're, bad people, and it's not. It's just art. And I'm an artist. I wanted to put art on my dogs. She was already asleep, so I took advantage of that.
After Rodriguez posted a Facebook picture of Duchess, people from all over the country responded, calling him an animal abuser. Do you regret doing it now after all this backlash?
No, not at all. I'll do it again with my next dogs.